Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson L5290 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. In a system type, if you find 32-bit operating system, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. In a system type, if you find 64-bit operating system, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is very easy. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type Epson L5290 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the first link. An official website of the Epson printer is open and it's detect your printer Epson L5290 at this point. Scroll down. Here we find our operating system. If it's detect your operating system right and bit is right, then it is okay. If it's not detect, then click at here. If Windows 10 32-bit, then go to the Windows 10 32-bit. Windows 10 64-bit, then go to the Windows 10 64-bit. Select it. Click on this go button and this page goes to refresh. After that, scroll down and find drivers. Click on this plus button. Click on this plus button. Expand it. Here we find two options. First is the scanner driver and second is the printer driver. First, I download the scanner driver. I go to the scanner driver, click on download. It start download on the top. Here we find our download is started. Wait for a few seconds. Our download is almost completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag and drop this setup file to desktop. Close it. Once again, go to our web browser and this time go to the main web page and go to the printer driver. Here we find our printer driver. Click on download. It's redirect you to the another page. Click on I agree. Click on download. And download is started at the top. Wait for a few seconds. Download is completed. Go to the downloads. Click on show in folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to the desktop. Close it. Here we find two driver files. First is the scanner, second is the printer driver, and this setup file is actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. That is very easy. Go to the printer driver first, right click on the printer driver. Here we find extract files. Click on extract files, click on OK. New folder is created on desktop. Here we find our folder. Double click on it, double click on it, double click on it, and here we find our drivers and we are going to install it. Close it. Very simple way to install it. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and in few seconds new option is pop up. The option is the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In a add a printer, go to the last option. Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Last option. Select last option. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. It is the most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and go to the USB. Go to the any USB that you find. USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, 004. Select any USB that you find. Click on next. Click on have disk. Go to the browse. Go to the desktop. Here we find our newly created folder or newly extracted zip file. Double click on it. Double click on it. If you find Winx 64, then go to the Winx 64. If your machine is 64-bit, if 32-bit, then go to the 32-bit. Double click on it. Select this. Click on open. Click on OK. Select this. This is an Epson L5290 series printer. Click on next. Give any name that you like. I give the name Epson L5290. You can give any name that you like. Click on next. Wait for a few seconds to install this printer. Properly install this printer on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. It takes less than 1 minute. So wait for a few seconds to completely and properly install this printer driver on your PC. Don't cancel it. Don't do anything. Wait for a few seconds to completely install this printer on our PC or laptop. And then after that, we go to our next step to install our scanner. Our printer driver is installed. If you want to share in the network, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a print a test page or click on a finish. Next option is our scanner driver. Go to our scanner, right click on our scanner, click on run as an administrator. Click on the yes. Wait for a few seconds. And it is unzipping our scanner driver. It's unzipping our scanner driver and then installation is started. Click on next. Accept the terms and condition. Click on the next. Installation process is started and it's also take less than 1 minute. So wait for a few seconds to properly install this scanner driver, Epson scanner driver on our PC or laptop. It's take few seconds. It is installed now. Click on the finish. Next option is check our printer and scanner is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners. Click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds. Here if you find in a printer list Epson L5290, that means your scanner and printer, Epson printer scanner and the printer is properly installed in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.